town square to living room. What are we talking about? The recent F8 conference in California. So what you might notice recently is your Facebook is starting to look different. So they're simplifying the application, making it more user-friendly for you and I. For the first time in history, Facebook's getting a complete rebrand.
So we've been working on a major evolution to redesign the Facebook app.
Communities and group, Facebook is really starting to drill into this concept and idea.
We believe that there is a community for everyone.
We're wanting to connect people through their interests and taking online relationships offline and building up what you and I are interested in and being able to find those things and connect with people that share the same interests. Facebook is stepping up their encryption game and they're building better technology so we can be connected with the world.
We plan to make Messenger the fastest private communication app on the entire planet.
Via portal, augmented reality, different things like that. Businesses can even take advantage of Messenger and accept payment. This is going to be a game changer. We're able to pay each other just like Venmo. Commerce will completely change for the retail market. Now I can actually share on Messenger a certain sale and you can actually purchase that product all from Facebook. So you heard about augmented reality. How about virtual reality? Hey, it's here and it's here to stay. Facebook also announced that, hey, they're shipping out the newest Oculus.
With a few taps, you can cast your VR experience to your phone or to your living room TV.
These are the most powerful virtual reality tools out there, and it's going to market at a low price point where you and I can start purchasing and playing the virtual reality game. On top of that, they're opening it up so that hey, developers can actually develop in that space. Do you know Facebook owns Instagram? So one of the biggest changes is no longer do they want you to focus on followers and likes. They want you to focus on what that person is posting.
It's something we're starting to experiment later this week called private like counts. You can see who liked a photo or a video. You can tap through it, and if you have the time, you can add them all up yourself.
Everything is becoming more relationship oriented, because we want to prevent cyberbullying, hate, and we want to share and connect with others. For years here at J29 Creative Group, we talk about the importance of not focusing on the tools of marketing, but relationships. And why do we talk about this so much? Because throughout the years, you have MySpace and all these different marketing tools, the telephone, advertising, through print. The vehicles change, but at the end of the day, we're all hungry and craving for human connection. That will never change. It's time to take advantage of these tools to be able to build relationship offline.
This is the next chapter for our services. It's still early, but if we get this right, then using all of these services is going to be a fundamentally different experience a few years from now. So thank you all. I'm looking forward to doing this together, and have a great F8.
We're going back to the root of it all. We want to connect. The future is private.